Today, we're looking at 10 of the very best monochrome items in 2020. These beautiful and refined monochrome items make it fast and easy to add sleek simplicity to your professional and creative projects. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Noir Pro by Mindburger Studio. At number 10 today, we have this eye-catching sans serif contemporary font family, influenced by early 20th century geometric typefaces and with a full range of different weights. This font spans from elegant and light, perfect for small text, to heavy and bold, suited for large displays. Noir Pro is perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to all of your typography needs. Number 9. Monochrome Stories by Magrib. If you're looking for a way to make your brand or business stand out on social media, then look no further than this elegant series of fully editable social media templates for Instagram stories. With 6 different template designs, editable text and backgrounds, it's as easy as dropping your content into the template and your new Instagram story is ready to go. Number 8. Typographic Resume Posters Volume 2 by Duel of Doves. At number 8 today, these typographic resume posters work hard to grab your audience's attention. The bold lines, bright colors, and Swiss-inspired designs help to set your resume apart and would be perfect for anyone looking for a professional yet designer-focused, ready-to-use resume or CV. Number 7. Monochrome Concert Promo by Maps Visual. If you're advertising a music event or concert, then this punchy monochrome promo video is perfect for you. Fully customizable and with no plugins required, it's easy to quickly and effortlessly drop in your photos and text to make the perfect advertisement for all your future events. Number 6. Old Movie Titles Collection by Pixel Buddha Graphic. At number 6, we have 6 beautiful vintage film-inspired text effects. With striking use of gradient, texture, and retro typography, these designs transport you to some of your favorite black and white movies. These text effects would be perfectly suited to anything from book covers to posters and t-shirt designs. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. Monochrome Black and White Lightroom Presets by Artmonk. Do you want to be able to professionally retouch your photos? Then this pack of black and white Lightroom presets is just what you need. Created with precise calibration adjustments, these 16 premium Lightroom presets will let you turn any photo into a professional-looking monochromatic masterpiece. Number 4. Monochrome Foliage Wedding Invitation by Arlie Caven. At number 4, we have this beautiful monochromatic wedding invitation set. With a fully customizable foliage-inspired design, the set includes invitations, RSVP cards, thank you cards, favor tags, menu designs, and more, making sure that all of your stationery needs are met on that special day. Number 3. White Marble Backgrounds by Themefire. At number 3, we have a series of beautiful marbled monochromatic background images. These high-resolution designs would work beautifully as minimalist interior wallpaper, as background imagery on websites or social media sites, or as decorative textures for business cards, clothes, flyers, posters, or gift cards. Number 2. Tax Invoice Stationery Pack Volume 1 by Duel of Doves. Generate invoices with ease with this easily editable and flexible set of templates. With bold typography, easy-to-follow layout, and stylish finish, this product will make your invoices, business cards, and envelopes look consistent, clean, and professional, and is the perfect solution for all your personal or corporate billing needs. Number 1. Urban Style Flyer and Social Media Pack Template by Georafix. If you're looking to promote yourself or your business on social media, then look no further than this stylish pack of multi-purpose social media flyers. Easy to use and customize, these templates will allow you to quickly create the perfect banner to promote yourself on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and more. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 best monochrome items for 2020. Did any of those items really capture your imagination? Let us know your favorite in the comments below and open the video description for links to all of the items shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups. And check out the next video selected just for you.